Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start your fourth chapter, that is carbon and its compounds. Very important chapter. Clear? Carbon and its compounds. Clear? So first of all, as we know that carbon forms so many compounds due to its unique nature. These compounds are called organic compounds, and the branch of chemistry which deals with these compounds is known as organic chemistry. Clear. We know that carbon forms so many compounds, and that is due to its unique nature. Clear. And these compounds are called organic compounds, and the branch of chemistry which deals with these compounds is known as organic chemistry. We have three branches of chemistry: organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. So this is the part of organic chemistry. Okay. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूनिक नेचर ऑफ कार्बन, कि कार्बन का वो यूनिक नेचर क्या है जिसकी वजह से क्या है वो इतने ज़्यादा कंपाउंड्स जो है वो बनाती है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 मिलियंस ऑफ कंपाउंड्स. ठीक है, तो यूनिक नेचर ऑफ कार्बन. ठीक है, फर्स्ट नेचर इज टेट्रावेलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन. Tetravalency of carbon. As we know that carbon atomic number 6 and its electronic configuration Km4. So this is its electronic configurations. That means there are 4 electrons in its valence cells. Clear? So its valency is 4. If we have 4 or less than 4 electron in the valence cells, then the valency is equal to the number of valence electron. So here we have 4 electron in the valence cells, so its valency is 4. ठीक है, so tetravalency, that is 4. Clear? So it forms covalent bonds in its compounds. जितने भी इसके कंपाउंड्स हैं उसमें ये केवल क्या बनाता है, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड ही बनाता है. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, एज यू नो दैट द बॉन्ड विच इज फॉर्म्ड बाय म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग ऑफ electrons. There is mutual sharing of electrons. So that means carbon share its 4 valence electron with 4 other atoms and forms 4 covalent bond like this. 4 carbon, there are 4 valence electron plus 4 H. Hydrogen, valence electron is 1, valency of hydrogen is 1, so this become like this. So there is mutual sharing. Clear? So carbon forms 4 covalent bond like this, H, 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 H. So this is first behavior, that is tetravalency of carbon. Carbon has tetravalency. Second property is tendency to form carbon-carbon bond. This is called self-linkage. Clear? And this property is called catenation. Clear? Tendency to form carbon-carbon bond. That means carbon combined with other carbon. ठीक है, to form bond. So this property is called catenation. The property of forming bonds with atoms of same element is called कैटिनेशन। दैट मीन्स एलिमेंट के सेम एटम, एक ही एलिमेंट के जब सेम एटम आपस में कंबाइन करेंगे, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कैटिनेशन। एंड इन अदर वर्ड दिस इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ लिंकेज प्रॉपर्टी। क्लियर? सेल्फ लिंकेज property. So in the periodic table carbon has the maximum tendency of catenations. periodic table में सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कैटिनेशंस की प्रॉपर्टी है तो वो कार्बन की है। कार्बन सबसे ज़्यादा कैटिनेशन जो है वो शो करता है। मैक्सिमम टेंडेंसी ऑफ कैटिनेशन इन periodic टेबल। periodic टेबल में इसकी जो कैटिनेशन है, टेंडेंसी है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा है। ठीक है, अब कार्बन जो है वो अलग अलग तरह से कैटिनेशन जो है वो शो करता है। फर्स्ट वन इज स्टेट चेन, क्लियर? स्टेट चेन दैट मीन्स वी हैव अ लॉन्ग चेन लाइक दिस, क्लियर? इस तरह से आप जितनी लंबी चेन जो है वो बना सकते हो। तो ये हो गई आपके पास स्टेट चेन। सेकेंड वन इज ब्रांच्ड चेन, ब्रांचिंग में भी ये बना सकता है। ठीक है, लाइक दिस, दिस इज स्टेट चेन, हियर वी हैव ब्रांचिंग, हियर वी हैव ब्रांचिंग। ठीक है, एंड थर्ड वन इज क्लोज्ड चेन, और रिंग। ठीक है, ये क्लोज फॉर्म में भी बना सकता है और रिंग फॉर्म्स में भी बना सकता है, जस्ट लाइक दिस, सी सी सी। हियर वी हैव क्लोज फॉर्म, like this. So this is your second properties. Third one is tendency to form multiple bonds. ठीक है, third property is tendency to form multiples bonds. So as we know that the size of carbon is very small, so due to its small size, carbon can easily form double or triple bond. Due to its small size, carbon easily forms double or triple bonds, which are called multiple bonds, by the sharing of more than one electron. ठीक है, मोर देन वन इलेक्ट्रॉन। अगर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर होगा देन वी हैव अ सिंगल बॉन्ड, जब एक से ज्यादा शेयर होगा देन वी हैव मल्टीपल bond, just like this. If carbon share one electron like this, so there is formation of single covalent bond. If carbon share two electron, so there is formation of double bond. And if carbon share three electron, there is formation of triple bond. So these double and triple bonds are called multiple bonds. So that means carbon has the tendency to form this multiple bond by the sharing of more than one electron. If there is one mutual sharing of one electron, there is single bond. If there is mutual sharing of two electron, there is formation of two bond. And if there is mutual sharing of three electron, there is formation of triple bond. So this is the unique nature of carbon. Thank you.